It's on us, all of us,
to stop sexual assault.
The conceptualization of the 3E wristband was developed on the issues surrounding sexual assault.
I'm Cameron. I was put in product development. First goal was to create a functioning prototype.
And after some research, we realized that the first conceptualization of the wristband would have been very bulky and inconvenient for a user to wear.
Oh, hi, I'm Brianna, and I was in charge of research and development on our 3E wristband. So early on, we kind of learned that our initial project idea was kind of ambitious for what we wanted to be able to complete the semester. So a lot of what I did was actually based on doing a lot of research and figuring out what was going to work for the wristband. So I was able to talk with the 911 operator.
After I was able to speak with Heather, a 911 operator, we determined that we were going to have to change many of the aspects of our initial project. We decided to develop an app that would be used in correlation with the wristband. This allowed us to be able to use features already available on a smartphone, such as the GPS capabilities and the ability to make a call. This essentially would also eliminate some of the bulkiness from the wristband, but we would still need customized parts in order to be able to create an ideal wristband.
The components that we have are pretty expensive, and even buying the smallest ones commercially available would still be way too big for the bracelets.
Along with the research that we did, we also wanted to be able to show a visual prototype of the app and create a Kickstarter-like video in order to be able to gain supporters and investors.
So my job was to make the app. I ended up designing the app off a pretty much online free software online. Gave me a free trial for about 20 days to design the app, so in that time I think I did a pretty good job of making the actual visual for our wristband and basically giving us a prototype design.
Hi, my name is Angelica. I was in charge of making the matchup video and the pitch video for this project. Originally I had the idea of maybe if the wristband was actually made and programmed, I was going to have in the video like scenarios showing how the wristband was going to work and everything, but because of the lack of programming or the lack of money to create the wristband, I had to use videos from YouTube to create the pitch video.
Although it would have been ideal to have a physical prototype of the wristband this semester, it's definitely something that could be done in the future, and we certainly learned a lot from the entrepreneurial process this semester.